Oh shit. How fun. I'm gonna get stuck in it too, watch. I'm gonna be mad.
Okay, somebody else get in. Jesse, do you want to walk with me to the car and then somebody else? Okay. Everybody else stay here, including Jake. Stay here. Here, stay. You stay. Hi.
Hurry, get in. Oh. Hey, I think I have another quarter. I think I have another quarter. But I don't think I have 2 quarters.
Stop, Jake.
Oh, you have 50 cents already.
Wait, how did you sit at this?
I told you.
See, Jesse, we have to hurry and go drive or else Jake isn't going to let me drive.
Okay, I gotta go to get the car. Be right back.